So friends, to create a new organization, first you have to go to create new organization, then click on this checkbox. After clicking on checkbox, click on continue. After that you have to give a URL for that, like I am giving a test, but it is always taken. As you know, everybody wants to test. After that you have to get something unique. Taste also. Okay, then you have to select a billing. After selecting the billing, you have to give the captcha. After I give the captcha PVJM, click on continue. And in my existing organization, you see there are a project that has been created named test. I am going to create a new project over here. So I am going to give a name to the project like test, and then I am going to give a description of that project. So test for swam. Then I'm going to give a description, a demo video or demonstration for swam portal. So I'm going to use a demonstrative video. On clicking on advanced, you can get the version control and work item process. You can change the visibility, but you can create one using the create button. After some, please wait for some time. See, a new project has been created with test for swam. So in overview and boards, I'm going to show you an overview and then I'm going to board. So this is the summary of the project. I'm going to dashboard and then I'm going to click on this edit, and then I am going to use the modes to create widgets in this dashboard. I'm going to use an embedded web page like it, and it's going to be configured later. And then I am going to boards. From boards you can see at first I have assigned some work items. There are epic issues and tasks. You can choose anyone and then give a test name as test to this work item. Give description, assign it to myself or anyone. Give a discussion to it. You can also add tags and remaining work. And after that, you are going to click on save. After that, if you are going to click on save, it will be saved automatically as usual. After creating on save, you can edit the status to do, and then I'm going to click on save. See, it has been saved already. And after that, you can go on boards and see we are going to create a new item. It is a drag and drop feature, and there you can see the backlogs over here. After seeing the backlogs, you can create a sprint or create a new work item easily. Af- Just click on the new work item and add to the bottom. After writing the name, you can add a sprint, give a name to it. After clicking on new sprint and see I'm giving my sprint, you can going to add a start date, a end date, and you can select a location and create. A sprint has been created. After that you can add queries. Just go to new query in the right hand top corner, and then you are going to customize it in the editor, what type of query and the parameters. And then after you go to the parameters, you are going to give the value. Okay, and then you can see the charts again, you can see the results, and you can save it. You can save by using a name to it, and after saving it, I'm going to show you some results as it's not showing here. See, query has been created. Going to delivery plans, you can add a delivery plan like this in your new delivery plan dialog box. After that, see, you can again going to give a name to it like test deliveries, and I'm going to give a description like testing. After that, you can add criteria and then click on create. Our delivery has been created successfully. After that, you can go to analytics views. Here are many more rows and columns. You can also create new view, which I'm going to skip now. Welcome to repos and pipelines. You can clone a GitHub code or any other code in the computer. You can push an existing repository in the command line. You can import a repository or initialize it. Is See, there are multiple options available for readme or git ignore. You can give comments. It's same like previous one. And see, pushes are also like the same thing. Okay, and tags. These things are similar, but I'm not going in detail. Okay, see, and after that, I am going to go in pipelines. So creating a pipeline. See, there are options like GitHub and Azure. From here, you can choose one. Then you can go to the pipelines and environment. You can create an environment. You can name it, give it a description. So I'm going to give it a name like test and description testing. Now, after that, I'm going to select none and see approvals and checks and deployments shown here. You can view all the checks. See, environment has been created just now. I'm going to library. I'm going to create a variable group. So I'm going to give a description and variable group name. So I'm not going to change the variable group name as of now. After that, I'm going to name and give a value to the variable. I'm writing test, the name and value as 1 for now, and test 1 and value as 2. You can adjust the security as roles. You can define the roles for each one, but now I'm going to skip it for now. After that, you can click on save. See, it has been saved already. You can copy, you can change the security as I mentioned earlier. After that, going on library, see, a variable group has been created.
Doing testing with long processes using multiple tools. Introducing test and feedback, which sits as browser extension. Start with full capability mode, the connected mode. Connect with your Visual Studio Team Services or Team Foundation server account. Select your team and project, and you are good to go. Start your session and capture your findings using screenshots, notes and screen recordings. You can capture issues and annotate them for quick illustration and easy understanding. You can also record screen for capturing interactions and transitions. Once captured, you can create work items like bugs, tasks and test cases. Name your work item, and choose from automatically generated list of all your captures. Also, you have the option of including page load data and image action log. Track all your activities in the timeline. Click on Recent Exploratory Sessions link to view completed sessions on Insights page. The summary view shows work items created, session owners and its duration, etc. Below it shows complete list with corresponding details, which can be pivoted across work items explored, sessions, etc. You can view sessions, at team, or individual level for a given time period. Combining the capabilities of Capture, Create and Collaborate into a single tool for one-stop testing solution. Test and feedback.
So you have to download the test hub using the install now button, which is in purple at the right hand side. Going to progress report, since there is no test plan have been found. And then going to runs, because no test run has been found, but you can adjust it, modify it and filter it over here, like run type, run status, and all other parameters, like you can choose the date over here. And then you can search by test run title. Going to artifacts, in artifacts you can connect to a feed, like from node, NuGet, npm, python and all. You can also go to an upstream package and give a package name to it and click on search, but I'm not going to use it now. You can create a new feed from here. You also again have to give a name to it and then click on create. It will be created, and this is how all the things work over here. You can go to recycle bin, you can give a settings to the feed. There are multiple parameters to set. See, there are also views, upstream services and all. So you can change it from here, you can add upstream, you can configure it later.